Hello everyone, I'm from Lalbagh Girls City College. Today I'm going to give you lecture of psychology and this is for class 11. My topic is perception. What are the mental processes which are involved in perception? As you all know, perception is a complex mental process. It is not easy to analyze it into its basic elements. So there are major five processes which are involved in this concept, that is called perception. First is receptive process, when we receive something from the outer world. Then symbolical process, when the associated areas of the brain are influenced by the sensation, the symbolic process starts. Third is unification process. All the separate entities of a stimulus combine together and form an image of the thing or the object in the external environment. The sensations which are not related to each other take place and get eliminated with the passage of time. Then the fourth process in the perception process. Unity and organization is found in the sensation related to situation. It means the sensations are not scattered but unified together. Perception of a stimuli take place only when the color, smell, figure and touch of a stimulus are united together. In the last process, affecting process. By the unification process, the meaning of a stimulus is clear to the person and its effect reach to our effective domain in the form of pain, pleasure, joy, etc. So this is the five major points when we perceive the stimulus from the outer place and how we perceive things. So the first which I have explained you, that is receptor process. Receptor are actually our sense organs. When a stimulus from external environmental effects upon our sensory organs, it is carried over to specific areas of our brain. At this junction, the arrival of sensation in brain causes stimulus sensation which is being experienced by the related receptor. This process is called a receptor process. So first we receive information from the outer environment and we receive through our sense organs, and after symbolic process and unification process, we get the clear image of the stimulus and we perceive